Hello, everybody, and welcome to Vantage Markets Inside the Charts. My name is Tamar Mehr from Trade with Precision. Now, on a Thursday, out of the Communist Party of China unexpected meeting, we heard a major announcement that was basically talking about some major stimulants for the Chinese economy. And markets around the world liked that announcement, and we saw some major index market moving quite nicely higher. So what I want to do today is look at several index markets around the world and have a look at areas for potential pullbacks and then a continuation of this very strong move. And I want to start here with the Germany 40 or the DAX index. And I'm looking here at the daily chart, and what I've got here, the moving averages 10, 20, 50, all fanning, all in the correct order for an uptrend. Also got the momentum indicators nicely converging to the upside. Now I'm looking at this level in and around the 19,000 round number, and we can see we had a couple of touches here in the past. So this was the previous swing high. We fell from it, pulled back into it, consolidated underneath, and then strongly broke above it and continue further higher. So I also drew the Fibonacci retracement of this latest move. So from the low to the high, and we can see that the 61.8% retracement is clustering very nicely with this 19,000 level and these previous touches. Also, if and when the market will pull back into that level, we're also going to be back within the averages, so back into the buy zone, that area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages. Let's have a look here on the weekly chart. Now, on the weekly chart, we can see we are back into an uptrend. We broke above this previous swing high, making another higher high. The weekly chart is also overextended, meaning quite a distance between where price action sits right now and the moving averages. So I'm looking for that release of that strong buying pressure and a nice continuation of this move. Taking a quick look here on the monthly chart, and we can see that the monthly we had that nice pullback into the averages and currently continuing higher, and we have the momentum indicators very nicely pushing higher as well. So looking for a pullback into that 19,000 area and a continuation of the move. The next market I want to take a look at is the Dow Jones. Now, the Dow also has broke higher into an all-time high, but in this case I'm looking for a bit more of a pullback here. We can see with Friday movement we actually came back into the previous swing high. So in this case I'm looking for a pullback in the context of the higher time frame in and around that level of 41,500 area. So if we'll take a look here on the weekly chart, we can see that this is an area that we've previously touched before. It's also the previous swing high on the weekly chart. If and when the market will pull back to test this level from above, we're also going to be close into the averages, into that buy zone. Let's take a look at the momentum indicators. In this case, they're also nicely converging to flat. A quick look here on the monthly chart, and we can see the monthly is very nice and strong uptrend. We had a pullback into the averages, and now we're moving away with some very nice convergence on the momentum indicators. So on the Dow Jones, I'm looking for a bit of a deeper pullback into the area of the 41,500. So more of a weekly time frame pullback. I'm looking for signs that the buyers are coming back into the market at this 41,500 level, and then a continuation of the move. Lastly, I want to take a look at the Euro Stoxx 50. Now, this market also reacted quite nicely to the announcement, but we're still further away from the all-time high. So I want to start first with the higher time frame, with the monthly chart. We can see that the monthly is in a very nice uptrend. We pull back into the averages and into the previous swing high, and currently we're moving away. We also have nice convergence here on the momentum indicators, moving averages 10, 20, 50, all fanning, all in nice order for an uptrend. Taking a look here on the weekly, we can see that with this strong break last week, we also confirmed a new uptrend on the weekly chart. So we've got a low, high, higher low, and a higher high. And also with this strong move, we also cleared this previous swing lower high. So taking a quick look here on the daily, we can see that strong push that we had. We're also back into an uptrend here on the daily chart, and we do have the moving averages 10, 20, 50 all fanning, all in the correct order for an uptrend with nice convergence here on the momentum indicators. Taking the Fibonacci retracement of this latest move, and we can see that the area between the 50 and the 61.8% retracement is clustering with these previous touches on the daily chart and also the swing high here, which is the swing lower high there on the weekly chart. So it's a nice area for the market to pull back into, release some of this buying pressure and look for more buyers at this area. If and when the market will pull back into that area, we're also going to be closer into the averages. So with all these index markets, after the very nice and strong bullish push that we had, I'm looking for a release of the buying pressure, a little bit of a pullback, signs that the buyers are returning, and a continuation of this move. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.